How to create vendors in Business Central. In this video, I will show you how to create a new vendor in Business Central. From the main menu, I will access Purchasing. And then I'm going to click on Vendors. And we are going to go over to this and make it a list view and get rid of the side window. In the vendor list, I can select New to create a new vendor, either by a number I define or by selecting a number series. So I'm going to select New. I'm going to use this template. And let's just put in a number. And you will get this notification and you're going to click yes. And then in this vendor name, let's just call it the ALU expert. And I can select the purchaser code from my list of purchases. So first I'm going to click More. And we are going to go down to purchaser code. And we will select the first one. Now I'm going to scroll down to address and contacts. And in the address, I can write the vendor address. So let's just type in Middle Valley 8, for example. And in the postcode or the zip code, there's a list here. And I'm going to choose this one. And as you can see, it is set up. So it'll automatically select the city and region code. As a contact, I can either use the contact table or I can use a specific contact as this one. So there we go. Okay. Okay. And for the contact, we'll just type in a name. Hence, right. And we're going to scroll down to, actually, what we can do here is we can also enter the phone number. We can enter an email if we want to. So, hands at the aluexpert.com. We can enter a web address. Okay. And anything else that needs to be entered, we can actually enter that later. So let us scroll down to invoicing. And we'll click on show more. And on the invoicing tab, I can select the information. I know now if I don't fill it out, it's not possible for me to post anything on this vendor. So I'll just enter what I know right now. For example, the tax area code, which if there's a star, this field is required. So let's just pick one right here. Maybe the general business posting group. right here, if I know that one, and the vendors posting group right here. Also the currency code. Let's go with Canadian dollar. And let's scroll to the payments tab. Click on show more. I can select payment terms code, for instance, 2 days, and a payment method code. The rest I will enter when I get the first invoice from the vendor, because then I get this information. So let's scroll to the receiving tab. Okay. I will select the default location to which I will receive from this vendor. And maybe also shipping method code. So now the vendor is ready and I can begin creating purchase orders.